I just did my BBA from MOP Vaishnav College for Women, Chennai. Currently, I am training as an operations executive at A&T. I chose operations because I wanted to know how an organization works and I wanted to learn how processes flow within departments. The team here is very encouraging and supportive. The work environment and everything has been very friendly. The people are very inclusive as well. On the whole, A&T has been a great place to improve oneself and learn about a lot of things.
Hi, this is Rakshita. I'm pursuing my MBA in Assistant School of Management. I have been joined here as a marketing intern. It's been a week for me. And I have learned many things about marketing. And the training was very nice, and I have learned many things about the marketing and various platforms of marketing. And the team was very friendly and enthusiastic towards their work. And as a whole, A&T was a great place and to initiate their careers.
So hi, I'm Bhuvaneshwari. I did my BBA and currently I'm pursuing in PGD HRD course in Late to College. So coming to A&T culture, people are very talented and they are very conscious in their works towards their vision and goals. And the next thing is about my experience. So I have learned something new in HR executive on daily basis work. And overall, A&T is a very good place to build our career in our life.